Hello everyone, I'm Isan. In this video, we'll share tips on how to use the same WhatsApp account on two different smartphones at once. And for those of you who have tried the tips in the previous video and still haven't succeeded, you can immediately try the latest tips in this video to activate the WhatsApp feature on your smartphone. To activate one WhatsApp account on two different smartphones, first make sure the WhatsApp account has successfully logged in on the first main smartphone. For the main smartphone, here you can activate it on iPhone or Android. However, for the second smartphone, so far it can only be run on Android and not available on the iPhone just yet. So here we can take advantage of this feature for iPhone as a primary phone and Android as a secondary phone. Or it could also be for the Android phone as a primary and Android for the secondary phone as well. For the latest one, now you don't need to use the WhatsApp beta version anymore because the final version on the Play Store already support this latest feature. So all you have to do is download the latest version of the WhatsApp application from the Play Store. To activate this feature on your Android, you can immediately open the WhatsApp application and make sure it's still fresh and no account data. If the WhatsApp application on Android has logged in with the previous account, you can log out first, and also you have to clear data and cache file for the WhatsApp account. To clear cache file and data, you can open the settings, then select the apps menu. Then all you have to do is search for the WhatsApp application and open the storage option. From there, you just have to tap on the clear cache and clear data sections. After clearing the data and cache file, you can immediately open the WhatsApp application on your Android phone. Then you can click on agree and continue button and click on the three dots option on the top right corner. Here you can immediately find the link a device option if your smartphone already support this feature. And if it doesn't appear, you can also try to remove the SIM card from the Android phone to show the link a device feature. And to show up this feature is quite easy. You only need a SIM card ejector tool and just remove the card for a while on your smartphone. After removing the SIM card from the secondary phone for a while, you can use the connection from Wi-Fi to connect to the WhatsApp application. Then all you have to do is close the WhatsApp application and reopen the application. And then after removing the SIM card, now you can immediately find the link a device feature when you tap on the three dots option on the top right corner. And now you can immediately open the WhatsApp application settings on the main smartphone and select link a device option. And next, all you have to do is click the link a device button on your main smartphone and scan with Face ID. Then on your second smartphone, you can click the link a device option so that a barcode appears which you can scan directly with your main smartphone. And now all WhatsApp chat data on your main phone will immediately sync and be connected to the second smartphone. So you can immediately use the WhatsApp application at the same time with the same WhatsApp account. However, here, even though all the chats are exactly the same and in sync with the main smartphone, there are also some drawbacks in the second smartphone that you can't access like on your primary phone. One of which is that you can immediately update the status on the second smartphone. So to update the status, you can only do it on your main smartphone only. When updating the status on WhatsApp story, whether it's a text or photo, later the words not available like this will appear if you update it on a second smartphone. But when there are incoming video calls or voice call on the WhatsApp application, both smartphones will show the same call on these two smartphones at the same time. So you can immediately receive the WhatsApp phone calls or WhatsApp video calls directly from the secondary smartphone as well. Later, when there is an incoming phone call, the two smartphones will be ringing and showing the same notification like this. And of course, here you can only answer voice call or video calls from one smartphone only. When you have already answered the call from one of the smartphone, the call on another smartphone will automatically turn off. Then for all chats received on your WhatsApp account, here will be received on both smartphones at the same time. Here, even if the data connection on the main smartphone is disconnected, all incoming WhatsApp chats will still directly get into WhatsApp on the second smartphone. It can be used without the need for the data connection on the main phone to be active 24/7. So your second smartphone will still be able to receive chats even if you already turned off the internet on your main smartphone. And of course, when we turn on the internet on the main smartphone later on, the chats that were previously delayed will automatically sync with the second smartphone. And if you use several smartphones at the same time and activate this feature, now you can easily reply to WhatsApp chats directly from different smartphones at the same time with the same WhatsApp account. Hopefully useful. See you in the next video.